Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Pi latest update. Avoid this problem in your Pi. Yes, Pi gave us an update 2 days ago. They said remember, you can voluntarily choose to lock up your Pi to boost your mining rate. The lockup will be immediately binding until your duration ends, and this is the lockup link. Now they said, Pi team said, locking up your Pi helps support a healthy ecosystem and insensitive long-term engagement with the network. You can set your pre-migration locks if you haven't migrated to Mainnet via the Mainnet tab in the Pi app menu. You can set your post-migration lock, which enables you which enables up to a 200% lockup in the Pi wallet. Now this is where it is. This is my Pi account. You can now see here current lockup 197.45% to boost. Avoid this. This is a mistake. Don't click on it. Pi has been tricking us in different way. Pi tricked us to lock up our Pi to increase our mining rate, but are we actually increasing the mining rate, or they just want us to lock our token? Imagine someone that has been mining Pi for, let me say, 6 good years, and you locked up your Pi. Indirectly you are regretting. Most of us that are mining Pi are regretting, because if we have our Pi when Pi was $2, we could have at least sell half and keep the rest and made a little profit. We did not say when Pi was $2. We did not say when Pi was 1.6. We did not say when Pi was 0.9. In fact, we still don't know when to sell our Pi. And they have come up again to lock up your migration balance to boost. Actually, in the actual sense, we are not boosting anything. They are just locking up, telling us to lock up our Pi to boost the ecosystem and to add stability to the coin. There is nothing more. Now, clicking on these 3 lines now you click on your mainnet. You can see your mainnet. Tap on your mainnet. I don't even have anything right here. I have a transferable balance. Second migration has not happened. A lot of us are still stuck there. Some has verified their email, but keep telling them to verify their email. Some of us that have completed the second verification, the migration has not yet happened, and they have come up again for us to lock our Pi to boost for 200%. Now this mainnet I have here, they told us that you can configure your lockup. Configure your lockup rate. Impossible. My own lockup is already in 3 years. That is 2027. That is when I'm going to have my Pi, and then the price of Pi might be at the rate of 0.000. Who knows? Even though Pi is a utility, but who knows what the future will hold? And they have coming up again to tell us to lock out for the second migration. You have to lock it to boost what exactly? Indirectly we are crying, and we are stuck here. So avoid this problem here. Even this configure lockup duration, even if you keep it on 2 weeks or 25% lockup, it will still not reflect, because you have automatically locked this when you are creating your account, when you are doing all the migration and all the stuff here. That was when I can remember when I locked this up. I didn't know that the aftermath will be like this. If I had known, I wouldn't have locked up. You grab, and they tricked us in the first place. They have come again to trick us. Don't fall for them. So avoid this by all means. The second transferable balance has not yet been migrated, and even if it migrates, I'm still not going to have it till 2027. Till 2027. What if before 2027 I'm no longer mining Pi, I'm no longer into crypto? What will happen? All my efforts will just go like that. So I don't think this their new update is making sense to me. But what do you think? Do you think that this update to lock up is a nice one? For me, it's not a nice one. Avoid it. because if everybody should lock up our pie, I don't know what will happen. Tell me your thoughts in the comment section. So right now the price of pie is at the rate of 0.35, and when I bought pie recently, it was at the rate of 0.4. I was even thinking pie later rise to 0.6. I was actually happy that pie is rising. One man even told me to sell and buy when it dip. I was like, it's not going to dip again, it's going to continue rising. Look at the price now, and they are telling us, look at, I have lost like $2 points from the $15 worth of pie I have. So they have coming up again to boost. That boost is a trap. Don't fall for that boost. It's a trap. No matter how strong pie utility is, don't fall for that trap. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.